The most frequently used appliance in the kitchen has to be the refrigerator, but if yours is constantly packed to the brim with food, consider buying a beverage refrigerator to fill with your favorite drinks. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, stocking up for a party, or simply want convenient access to cold drinks at home, our beverage coolers offer the ideal solution. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best beverage coolers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Euhomy BR110 is hailed as the number 5 best beverage cooler for its remarkable features. Standing out with its black stainless steel frame, it offers a sophisticated aesthetic, making it the sole black stainless steel cooler on the market. Its 3.2 cubic feet capacity and adjustable stable shelves accommodate up to 126 cans of soda, beer, or several wine bottles, ensuring you have your favorite beverages at your fingertips. The advanced cooling system, powered by a quiet compressor, ensures even cooling throughout the beverage center without disrupting your peace. With a temperature range from 34 to 61 degrees Fahrenheit and intelligent control, you have full command over your storage options. The high-end design features a sleek glass door for easy viewing and superior thermal insulation. The LED lighting adds a touch of elegance, beautifully showcasing your beverages day or night. With its reversible door and adjustable feet, this cooler offers flexibility in placement, ensuring it fits seamlessly into any space. Euhomy BR110 redefines beverage cooling with its blend of functionality, style, and affordability. Price at $200. Meet the hOmeLabs Beverage Cooler. Ranked as the number 4 best beverage cooler, it stands out as the epitome of sophistication and functionality. Crafted with a focus on elegance, this freestanding refrigerator boasts a spacious 3.2 cubic feet capacity, making it an ideal companion for any gathering or personal indulgence. Its reinforced clear glass door, embraced by a sleek matte silver stainless steel frame, not only enhances the aesthetics but also ensures your beverages are prominently displayed while remaining chilled to perfection. Illuminate your collection with the soft glow of the white LED interior light, accentuating every can and bottle with brilliance. Designed for convenience, the beverage cooler offers adjustable shelving to accommodate various container shapes and sizes, allowing you to customize your storage for a premium home bar experience. With an easy-touch digital temperature control system, cooling to a refreshing 34 degrees Fahrenheit is effortless, while the memory function ensures your preset temperature is restored even after unplugging. Priced at $299. Presenting the NewAir AB1200, hailed as the number 3 best beverage cooler. This compact yet spacious mini fridge is a versatile addition to any space. Designed for convenience, it requires no installation. Simply plug it in and you're good to go. Whether you need to store lunch at the office, keep leftovers fresh in your dorm, or have a cold beverage ready anywhere in your home, the AB1200 has you covered. With its reversible glass door and sleek stainless steel frame, it not only provides functionality but also adds a touch of sophistication to any environment. The adjustable shelving system allows you to customize the interior to accommodate everything from standard cans to taller bottles, ensuring efficient use of space. What sets the AB1200 apart is its 7 custom temperature settings, catering to a variety of beverages, from beer to soda, maintaining them at the ideal serving temperature between 37 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit. All of this comes in a compact size that maximizes interior space, making it a practical solution for any lifestyle. At a price of $299, the AB1200 offers premium features without breaking the bank, enhancing your beverage storage experience without compromising on quality. Introducing the Colzer Beverage Cooler, ranked as the number 2 best beverage cooler for your home. With its sleek design and multifunctional features, this dual-zone wine and beverage refrigerator is a perfect addition to your home office or basement bar. One zone is dedicated to chilling your wine at an optimal temperature range of 35.6 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, while the other zone caters to your beverages with a range of 41 to 64.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Equipped with a quality compressor unit and advanced vibration reduction gear, this cooler operates quietly, ensuring a peaceful environment. The clear, double-layered glass door not only adds a touch of elegance but also protects your drinks from UV interference while maintaining a constant temperature. Moreover, automatic defrosting and temperature memory functions ensure the stability and longevity of your beverages. The adjustable wooden and stainless steel shelves provide versatility to accommodate various drink sizes from wine bottles to cans securely. Priced at $7.99, this Colzer beverage cooler offers premium features to elevate your drinking experience at home. Say hello to the FoMup beverage refrigerator, the epitome of sophistication and functionality in beverage cooling. Topping the charts as the #1 best beverage cooler, this appliance boasts an array of features to elevate your beverage experience. With a larger capacity and an innovative odor elimination system, this refrigerator accommodates up to 18 standard Bordeaux bottles and 65 12-ounce can beverages while ensuring freshness with its built-in deodorizing activated carbon. Experience ultimate control with individually controlled dual-zone cooling zones, allowing you to tailor temperatures to perfection. The left zone maintains temperatures between 35 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, while the right zone ranges from 41 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Powered by an energy-saving, quiet, and powerful cooling system, this refrigerator ensures rapid cooling without disrupting your surroundings. Its Smart Control touchscreen grants effortless temperature adjustments and features an auto-defrost function every 6 hours for hassle-free maintenance. Whether built-in or freestanding, the sleek 24-inch design with a glass door seamlessly integrates into any space. Priced at $859. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.